So this gluten-free flour tortilla. So this gluten-free flour tortilla is very thick. As you can see, it was like a bit of a disaster, like this one especially. These other two are fine, like they are, it's black because of the spatula, by the way. But yeah, you can see they're very thick. And these ones, they're like nice and like pliable and very thin. So the consistency that you want your batter to be is like this, like runny. Don't be scared. Don't be like, oh, it's too runny. Nah, it's actually perfect. So if you want to use this for tacos, for example, it's perfect. Super pliable, it doesn't break, it holds its shape really well. These ones are too thick, so they are still pliable, but there's some cracks that are happening because the dough is not hydrated enough. But yeah, I would prefer this one. It does have the flavor of chickpeas, so yeah, keep in mind that. Alright, well, if you like this video, you can like it, you can subscribe to get more videos like these. I'm going to start doing these little short videos, and then you'll be able to like watch the short videos and do them, and then sort of combine them in any way you want and create the dishes that you want. So I thought that was a creative way of doing videos. So I'll give that a go, and I'll see you in the next one.